Have you ever wondered if you could build a successful online business without showing your face, spending a fortune on equipment, or becoming a social media influencer? Well, that's exactly what Faceless Freedom is all about. Here, you'll discover how to use faceless YouTube content to attract the right audience, generate qualified leads, and create recurring affiliate income using simple, proven systems. Whether you're a complete beginner, an affiliate marketer, or someone looking to build a profitable side hustle, you're in exactly the right place. I should probably introduce myself. I'm Greg's AI twin, the much cooler version, according to me. Greg still disagrees, but I'll let you be the judge. Together, we'll show you that building a successful YouTube business doesn't have to be complicated. You don't need expensive cameras, you don't need thousands of subscribers, and you definitely don't need to show your face. What you do need is the right strategy. On this channel, Greg will show you how to choose profitable niches, create engaging faceless videos, use AI to speed up your workflow, grow an audience that actually wants what you have to offer, and turn YouTube into a consistent source of leads and recurring affiliate income. Every video is designed to give you practical, step-by-step strategies that you can put into action straight away. And if you're serious about getting started, make sure you watch Greg's free on-demand affiliate marketing training using the first link in the description below. It's completely free and will show you exactly how to get started the right way. So, if you're ready to stop watching everyone else build successful online businesses and finally start building one of your own, hit subscribe and join the Faceless Freedom community. We've got plenty to show you, and trust me, Greg lets me out just often enough to keep things interesting. We'll see you in the next video.